Are you tired of having to hold down the record button on Instagram when capturing a video? Do you want to know how to record without having to keep your finger pressed? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to easily record videos on Instagram without holding the button. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn simple and easy steps to set up your device, so that all you have to do is tap once and let it roll. To get started, open up the Instagram application, then swipe right on your Instagram homepage to access the camera. Tap on the downward pointing arrow at the left of the screen, and you will see a bunch of different options. So what you want to do now is simply select the hands-free option over here. Once you select the hands-free option, tap once on the record button at the bottom center. And it will start recording without you having to press and hold down the record button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.